Now, somebody's in my eye. It's the thunder, guys. Thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. I get distracted so easily. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be doing a video on our eyebrows for beginners. I feel on this channel I don't cater a lot for beginner friendly makeup, so I have created a folder and a playlist so you guys can go in and watch all my videos on beginner friendly makeup. Now I'm going to show you the tips and tricks to getting the perfect brow. As you can see, this brow looks way too thin for this kind of look. Now, when you have like a smoky kind of dramatic kind of eye, you want to keep your brows simple. That's the first tip that I need to teach you guys. You make sure that your brow is actually kind of neat, because you want everything to be sleek on your face. So if you guys want to learn how to do your brows with just an eye pencil and a brow gel, you know that feeling when you just had something in your hand and you just left it down and now you can't find it? That's what I'm going through right now. If you guys want to know how to do your eyebrows with a brow pencil and just an eyebrow gel, all I gotta do is keep on watching. So I'm just gonna push all this back, and now I'm getting myself a mirror and we're going to work with these brows. Now what I want you to do first thing first is to take yourself a brow pencil. When you get a brow pencil, make sure that it is not too sharp, because too much pigment comes out when it is sharp. Make sure it's blunt, not very blunt, but tiny bit blunt, and go in at the tip. Make sure you're holding the tip. Go in from here and run your brows. Now, somebody's in my eye. Now what you want to do is go in and hold it with very little pressure. And now we're going to go in at the top very lightly. Now something's in my eye. Now it's going to look something like this. Then you're going in with the very next side. On the top, as I said, very light. What the hell did I just do? Don't just forget that. Very light pressure on the brows. Go back in on this side. That's the thunder, guys. Thunder. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. I get distracted so easily. Now we're going in with a little spoolie. And brushing it down. And now I'm just going to bring this a little bit down. You can go as down as possible, but I don't want it to mix and clump with my eyeliner and eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with a tiny bit of foundation, and I'm just mixing it on a very thin brush. And I just need to knit up at the bottom. likewise on the side, I'm going to do exactly the same. Now we're coming up from the top of our brows, and that's it. You're not going to become an expert overnight with your brows. It's going to take some time, a lot of practice, and don't be hard on yourself. And that's it. So guys, number one, what you're going to do is put on your eye pencil onto your eyebrows. Don't stress about anything, just work your magic on it. Number two, you're going to go in with your spoolie and remove all those creases from your eyebrows. Number three, you're going to go in with your concealer and neaten up everything. Number four is this. You're going to go in with some brow gel. I've done a review on this brow gel on my channel before, so I will link that in the description box. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.